Goloka's opulence, where always 6 seasons there, always all kind of flowers and fruits and all, air, water, everything is perfectly spent there. And that night, that Khyapa, which is arranged by him, his Yogamaya Upasrita, then he told, you see how these flowers and all these birds and plants and the creatures and Yamuna, Nilachante, the cooling air with aroma of the lotus flower, it comes, and the Nilachanta or Pallavam, this green all leaves and all is, you see, it's very fine. You come here, but you have seen this before. You see, he told this is, you see, so attractive. You are fortunate came here. Then but you have seen this also. This is not new for him. What he is saying? He is saying that putting some fire, again putting some cooling. Drishtva kusumitam vanam sarake sakaranjitam jamuna niralilija tarupallava shobhitam. It's beautiful, attracting there. But Krandanti Bachhabalacha, you know your children and who are milking, and the calf is tied there, and she left and came. Because when they are milking some group, and particular group which then is touching to them very hard. You are who are milking, and the tie of the Dujanto Bijaju Kachit Dovahitva Samuchukaha. They look how they came, Sukadeva Goswami is explaining this. So he told you know this, they are crying for milk, and the cow is also suffering, and the calf is suffering. You came, they are right there. You remember this? Krandanti Bachhabalacha, some children also they are crying, and some husbands who are some distributing prasadam, they gave some items, and another items they went to bring. When they hear this is Jago Kalo Vamandur Sang Manoharam, they came away. They are waiting, they will bring. Okay, he gave now roti or rice, he will bring him dal and sabji. They are waiting, then he came there. So they are waiting for this. And why like? So, Vidagdha Patavanita, Krishna said, what is exceptional qualities of Krishna, who is actually the Rashovaisaha, which is not in other incarnations. This is talkative. His Vidagdha Patavanimita. His Vidagdha Chaturo Daksha Krutagnya Sudrudha Vrataha. Vidagdha Chatur, and how to know Vividha Bhasa Adbhut. He knows all language. Vividha Bhasa Adbhut, Adbhuta Bhasas he knows. Vividha Adbhuta Bhasa Satya Vakya Priyang Badaha Bhavadukaha Supandito Buddhiman Pratibhanmitaha. Each quality is 64 qualities has given. Among this about this talking. When he told this, they became disturbed. How he is saying, you are welcoming, you come. They came, they left everything, and when they came, she will come you. Then again he is asking him, there is no any difficulty to come here. Then they should, why you came? This is the emotion of this is the love samagri, vyabhicharis, anubhava. They make their all cells, the hair and mind, just from ocean The waves are coming and going and out. This is the started this. We don't go to everything. Then the last moment she told Pratijata Tato Gruham. You go to your house. You saw it here. You go there, and this is your dharma. Because you are married and you have a responsibility. And same time he told Priyamcha, I am dearmost to everyone. You see how the Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur's commentary and devotees they think. He told, I am the Sarva Atma, I am this every prani, all beings, I am dearmost. He told, your dharma is take care to your children and husband and take care. So Pratijata Tattva Gruham. Immediately you go. Tattva Gruham. So what they do? They just like a stambha, Sastika which are the temple, their cells become, when he last were told, they become like a stone statue. And then this fire, were putting this fire to go there, and this is like he has no any relation, no love, and he does not know why you came, and he is the Supreme Lord here, and he is there, and he always coming to us, always asking us, you are the dearmost. Without to see you, I cannot stay, I cannot eat, I cannot maintain my many things. Every day he was going and speaking all these things. Now we came and he played this flute. We hear him, we came. Now he is saying this. So there is Juthapatis. Radharani is Krishna's taktive. So Radharani is more than Krishna's taktive. Her quality can be 25 qualities. Patavanita, Vidhakta Patamanita, Lajja Sila, Sumarjaja, Dharija, Gampirija Sarini. Which qualities attract to Krishna? Which qualities Krishna to attract this? And the devotee's qualities attract to Krishna. Mahaprabhu. Quality are the aswadanya, the taste. Qualities are the aswadanya. Therefore, which quality, one quality is created to them, just over limited. So then started to speak. Others group, Chandravali one leader, there is our Juthapatis. Radharani Juthapati, Chandravali Juthapati. Others Juthapatis are also there. All are not explained, but Ujjwala Ramani and others tell many Juthapatis there. So they told the Chandravalis, which is Dakshina, they told Maivam Vibho Arahati Bhavan Gaditum Nursansam. Oh Vibho, you cannot speak like this way. Maivam Vibho Arahati Bhavan Gaditum Nursansam, like a cruel. You are like a just no compassion and no any love. You cannot say this. Gaditum Nursansam. Bhakta bhajasva durava grahamasma chindya asa dhrutang tvai chirat Aravindra netra. O Aravindra netra kamala lochan, lotus side you cannot say this. Bhakta bhajasva, the demigods, they are worshipping to Vishnu, and he always protect him because they are devotees. And we are bhaktas, bhakta bhajasva, we are devotees. And we are sheltered to you, and you cannot speak this way to us. Then next verse came. This is a big, more explanations also there. Just we go to this, to go to touch this. Then told Jatapatya apatya suhrudatvam anubhuti rangam strinang swadharma iti dharma vidato yuktam asteva me paduspa pade desha paise prestha bhavan tanubhrutam kilabandhuratma. You are the advisor of the religion. Because you are speaking, you spoke these religious principles. Also you are coming to establish religion. You are the karta, bhakta, bhirakita. You are a speaker, you are administrator, and you are also preserve the dharma.